For the last few weeks, Lori and I have noticed that the ball seal in our toilet is not actually holding any water in our basin. I think it's about time that we replace the seal in our Dometic 300 series RV toilet. And today we're going to show you how we did that. So stay tuned. This is actually a simple and easy DIY project. You can go on to Amazon and you can order a pack of 2 of these. You can have one for now, and I would recommend about every year you go back through and you change out the ball seal in your Dometic toilet. What you're going to need for this install, what you're going to need is a pair of latex gloves. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and clean up the toilet bowl. I know it's not everybody's favorite thing in the world to do, but it's one of the steps that we need to take. The next step that we need to do is we need to remove the old ball seal inside of the RV toilet. Once we've got that completed, then we need to get some kind of lubricant to put around the seal of the toilet. We wanted to use something that was biodegradable, so we used common cooking oil that you would find in your kitchen. We're going to coat that with that. We also need to make sure that we have the seal in the upright position, and it is indicated on the seal itself that this side up. Now we're going to insert the new ring into the toilet. There is a flange on the inside of the toilet itself, and it will go into that. And once you get it into place, you should notice that it is now holding water. So that was a simple and easy DIY project that you can do to your own 300 series toilet.